This is the big set of machines for iPad and tablets repair. The first one you see, this big film laminating machine. It fits for all the LCD screen under 16 inches, and it will help you to laminate the OCA film and also polarizer film on LCD screen or the glass. And then the second one, it is the OCA vacuum laminator. It will fit for 16-inch LCD screens too. And this machine will only do vacuum lamination. It will need to work with both the vacuum pump and also air compressor. The size for this one, it is really big. You can even fit it for the iPad Air Pro for until 16 inches. And if you use it for iPhone or Samsung like the smartphone, each time you can put more pieces together, more than 5 pieces or 6 pieces. And then this is the big autoclave bubble removal machine. This one, it will fit for the big tablets as well. And if you put the small LCD screen inside, each time you can put more than 100 pieces. And this one will work together with the air compressor. Okay, and today we will show you the iPad Air 2 LCD Screen Refurbish. And the first step, he will apply the OCA film on on the glass. This film laminating machine, it has the built-in pump, and you just need to connect with the air compressor, will be okay. See, it is finished. The big size 9.7 OCA film will supply also. And for this kind of big screen, it is better for you to remove the bubbles before you do vacuum lamination. You can adjust the time to 5 minutes. 5 minutes before you do vacuum lamination. And you can see this machine, the door, it is the new design. It is kind of this lock door and no need any screws, so it is very safety. Because now we just do the demo for you. If you use the bubble removal machine, it is better to put on the floor to keep it safe. The bubble removal step is almost finished. So for this kind of the large screen, it is better to do bubble removal before you're doing vacuum lamination. And you will see that there is no bubbles. And then we put together with the LCD screen. This is for alignment. Make it clean. We didn't remove the polarizer for this LCD screen, so you just put on the OC film is fine. This is kind of the new alignment mode and lamination, which designed and made by ourselves. This kind of mode will be more easier for you to do the accurate alignment for the glass and LCD screen. The yellow two stickers it has adhesive which will stick the glass on the mold and then put it over the LCD screen. And this machine it is fully automatic. Once you click the start button, it will push inside to the machine. And see, it has the touch panel here, which shows the temperature, the time, the lamination time, and also it has the gauges for the pressure, the lamination and the air compressor. And it works really quickly. Every time it is just for 20 minutes. And also you can use it for the smartphone lamination too. Okay, it has some little bubbles on the edge, and then we will put it in the bubble remover machine. This time you can extend the time a little longer. For around 10 minutes. Okay, we will back later after 10 minutes. It is almost finished. We will take out to see the LCD screen. Okay, the result it is perfect, no bubbles. It's done.